The word asombro means wonder in Spanish, and that's really just a perfect description of everything that we do at the Asombro Institute for Science Education. We really try to inspire this sense of wonder about science and this sense of wonder about the natural world, especially, of course, the desert, for all the students we work with, also teachers and also the general public who comes out and visits us as well. You know, we're really working towards increasing science literacy in everyone we work with. And unfortunately, only about 20% of our 8th graders are meeting this kind of basic level of science literacy right now. And every day, our science educators are out there trying to turn this around and really partnering with teachers and school district administrators to provide this really great, informed way of teaching and learning science. And again, based on examples that are right here in our backyard. All students work better and learn better if they're doing hands-on science. And so everything we do at Asombro is all based on hands-on science. We have a lot of different kinds of programs. So we go into classrooms and we work with individual classes of students for about an hour at a time. We also take students on field trips to our outdoor classroom, which is called the Chihuahuan Desert Nature Park. We use the students' own schoolyards so we can get them outside even if they aren't taking a bus trip to come see us. We have a data competition we've been doing for 11 years now called the Desert Data Jam. And we also do teacher workshops and we also do public programs out at our nature park site. The Chihuahuan Desert Nature Park is open 6 days a week from Tuesday through Sunday from 7 a.m. until 5 p.m. And so visitors are welcome to come out there. You might see us leading a field trip for students from Monday through Friday, but on other days visitors can come and just hike on their own. We have a self-guided tour booklet, we have interpretive signs, we have picnic areas, all for the public to come and enjoy. For teachers, we have some free activities that they can get online and download and use in their own classrooms. We have information about all the other programs that we can offer to teachers, including teacher workshops that are upcoming. The website is asombro.org. And I'd love to see us reaching every single student all over southern New Mexico so they all get this hands-on, really exciting view of what science is and what we're learning about the desert right here in our backyards. I hope they can also learn a little bit about science literacy in our area and how important it is to train the next generation of scientists, but also just make sure that everybody, regardless of what career they go into, knows a little bit about this desert and can make informed decisions about how we can best protect it.